Hello everyone, welcome to this series of C tutorials. In this lesson, we will be concentrating on the memory layout of C. Once the program is loaded by a programmer or a user, the parts of program will be loaded into different segments of RAM. That is in primary memory, main memory. There are 5 segments. Generally, stack starts from higher address to lower address. Say for instance, if the starting address of stack is 100, the next address would be 99, the next address would be 98, and so on. And in case of heap, it generally starts from lower address to higher address. Say for instance, if the starting address is 30, the next address would be 31, 32, and so on. This is a sample program. In the main function, you can see we defined 2 variables without any initialization. Variables defined in a function are stored in stack segment. Uninitialized global variable or static variables are stored in BSS segment. Initialized global variable or static variables are stored in data segment. Dynamically allocated values are stored in heap section, and the code is stored in text segment. We can practically check the working of this. Majorly BSS segment, data segment, and text segment. There is a tool called Size in Ubuntu operating system or any Unix based operating systems. In this sample program, I defined a global variable named global1 without any initialization. Now we will compile the program. gcc space name of the program, and machine executable code is generated by compiler. Now type in a command size name of the machine executable code. Here we can see the size of text segment, data segment, and BSS segment. Now if I define one more variable global2 without any initialization and compile the program, the size of BSS section is increased. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please to hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.